Okay. So, so suppose you got hired as a Linux administrator or like a normal server guy. The first day they give you is this simple terminal. So get used to this. You won't be having much of this. Half of your work is going to be this terminal only. So get used to accessing the terminal, get used to learning everything in terminal. Everything that you used to do in Windows, you have to start doing that in terminal. So anything that you used to do, like opening a file, creating a file, deleting a file, modifying a file, and like moving a file, and like creating different types of file, creating images and things like that. You have to do learn to do that in Linux. And these things are basically beyond your vision, whatever you are trying to do. So you can simply uh, create one file, like five or six file, and then when you see like there are lots of files like this, after that you can run multiple commands at the same time. As you can see, we have created a new folder to break this command on a very easy level. We have created one folder. After that, we set up a pipeline to after executing this command, we have to execute this command. Then it has created a new folder. Then we got inside that folder. After that, we want one more command. So we have created a text editor and we have opened a file called newday.txt. Right now, if I do ls, you can see a folder has created. We are inside that folder and a file named new.txt is here. Simple as that. We all know all of these commands. I just use in one liner to run all of these commands at once. It saves your time. If you want to do a lot of tasks, then how you are going to do it. So there is this date also. You print on anything, it will be date. So it will print out date and time of your current session. Apart from that, in your Linux, I think Linux, it will work. Cal or calculator gives you a real-time calculator. So command vary via some distros also. So in Linux, usually Ubuntu version, this command work, but in Parrot version, this won't work. So 99% of the time it will work. But this is a different OS that I'm using right now. So it is not working in my system.
Excuse me, sir. When I try to do the mkdir new day and cd and the new folder that we created, it just give me an error saying like I can't create directory new day.
Maybe because of the folder that you are currently in, maybe you are in some other folder which you don't have any permissions to. So always remember to first go to your desktop and then create a new folder, then do everything. If you are having problem with a terminal, you can go here, go to your desktop, just manually create a folder, get inside this folder, right click, open internal. Now you can start running all the commands here.
Okay.
Okay, you can do that right now. If you have any issue, you can just type in the chat. We will be happy to fix that problem.
Sure.
So few more commands that I want you guys to see is this. Whenever you got a server or IP, you first check with ping, like if you are able to communicate with that server. Ping is the name of a command. Ping space google.com, facebook.com, like any other URL that you want to see. It tells you like your network is able to ping this network, but you can see it is giving you IPv6 address. This is not an IPv4 address. So there is a difference between IPv4 address versus IPv6 address. These things is going to discuss with you in the intro section. So I'm not going much deep into that. So I think this is the command for this. Yeah, you can see right now it starts giving us IPv4 address. Why 4, why 6? Because it has four masks, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We can do this with
One more thing, sorry. When I do the ping
yes,
google.com, it just popping up this 64 bits from like it's how do I stop this? It's like going
Control
non
C, Control C,
control.
Control C, Control Z is your always friend. If you
Okay.
are stuck somewhere, if it is not visible, always type exit, EXIT, close, close, and then this bracket.
Okay.
So every command has their own set of way of exiting. If it is not working anyhow and you're stuck somewhere, just type in Google like so unable to exit FTP command, unable to access SSH command. It will tell you how to exit it.
Okay. Stop now.
Yeah. So this is the IPv6 address. This is the IPv4 address of google.com. Let's do the same with the Zorba website. So doing this, you are not hurting anyone, you are not affecting anyone, but you are leaving a trace in these URLs. So suppose Zorba software has any kind of protection mechanism implemented there, and you are trying to ping them. Okay. So right now I have started a ping request, and in their logs, this IP, my IP has been registered. This is my IP. So I'm not sure if a few people know this or not. So there is a difference between this 192.168 IP and all the normal IPs. The only difference is whenever you see a 192.168 kind of IP, this is basically you can say a Wi-Fi based IP. So I am connected to a Wi-Fi. That's why I am getting this 192.168. After that, there will be anything. One dot, two dot, 256 dot. So basically, this number goes to 256, exactly 255, not 256. So there is always n minus one. So these things are a little bit confusing and lengthy. So I don't want to go there because networking is not, we are not covering the network part. So whenever you have a network class, always be patient and ask a lot of questions because these things are very, very confusing. You can see there is slash and 24 written here. Slash 24 means this part. Slash 8 is means this part. Slash 24 means this part. What exactly is it means? Sorry, 8 is this, then 16, then 24, then 32. Okay. What do you mean by this? It means like there is a subnet of this IP. So there are a lot of services running inside this. And if anyone has CID, yeah, CID. So I'm not going there. So CIDR and all these things are not, we are currently looking into the web application part. So that's why I'm not going there.
Excuse me, sir, I
Okay.
have a simple question.
Yes, yes.
So I only used vi command yesterday and today, but I'm using nano, and I just used the make directory and cd and nano like all together, but I don't know how to save and exit from nano. That's it.
Control X and then Y, then enter.
Control X. Wait, Y, then enter.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, fine. After that, you have your this MAC address with you. So first of all, when I type in IPA, or let me type this. This is Linux base. So in Windows, IP config will work. In Linux, IF config will work. So always remember this. So this tells like what kind of operating system you are using. So you can see I have three network devices connected. One is ENP, one is loopback, one is WL. So this means this is basically loopback address. You can say loopback is written here. So loopback address is basically your internet network card. So there is always one local host IP that is assigned to your laptop. 127.0.0.1. This is your basically your this network card IP that is installed in your laptops. After that, this is the Wi-Fi IP. So WLP, it tells that this is a WLAN Wi-Fi IP. So this is my Wi-Fi IP. If I was connected to via cable, Ethernet cable, so I might got ETH0 or something like that here. So just by looking into this network card name, you can identify what kind of network I am connected to. Okay, is this clear? Yes, yes. So IPv4, IPv6, you are already right. So IPv4, IPv6 is basically a number you can say that is assigned to your website. So there are basically two, you can say number, IPv4 and IPv6. We shifted to IPv6 because IPv4 was kind of getting full. So that's why we needed a bigger number. That bigger number is IPv6. So I told you like these things will be getting discussed in network class in a very deeper level. I'm just giving you an overview of how things work here. Okay. Okay. Suraj.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just try to understand the terms and terminologies here. So, there is nothing, no definition needed to understand the IPv4 versus IPv6. You can simply say that it is a number assigned to this URL. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, like google.com, this zorba.com, facebook.com, instagram.com. So every URL has a IP mask assigned to it, like app.zoom.us. So Zoom has a IP address. So we can just do this and take out the IP address. We are doing just that, nothing else. Okay. Just by looking at this right now, you can tell like it is a IPv6 address, not a IPv4 address. What is the use of IPv6 versus IPv4? We will discuss that in later classes. Okay, I just want you guys to. I was just using the ping command. So just by using this command, this thing pops up. So I started explaining you that, nothing else. The main thing that we want to see is the ping command. Okay, just like ls, it is ping. Simple is that.
Do we need to know how to differentiate between a V4 and a V6 IP?
Not exactly. It will never come up in your coursework. That is for sure. It just for your understanding. It just came up, so I was trying to explain it. So it's always better to know things I can show you IPv4 and then leave the class, and in the real world scenario, if we get IPv6 and it will get confused, I didn't know this, what is this, how to do this. So it's better to know these two basic things. I shouldn't have explained you ping because I think it is confusing a little bit to few of the candidates. These things are basically your networking part, so these things will be going to covered in the networking sections. So let's come back to our next class only. And so there is just like search, they like in the Windows section you have search. So you just open your search bar and then you start typing anything and it will search through your whole operating system. Or like in the Windows also there is a site, in the sites the panel there is a search bar. So you go there, you type anything and it will search it inside the folder. So just like that we have find command. Find like if you want to find anything, that we can type find space name. Slash is basically the location. In place of slash we will use this slash home slash des slash home nick desktop. So you can see like I was doing slash home slash desktop and it was not taking, but when I do slash home slash nick slash desktop, it started taking. Because of it was not able to understand which desktop we are going to use. So inside home I first tell him that this user get inside this user, inside this user we have to use this user desktop directory. Okay. And new.txt, new hyphen one.txt is the name of the file. Owning the name hyphen matches against the base names only within a pattern. Okay, find space slash will work. Yeah. So you can see first I was doing the wrong statement. First I have to tell the path. After that the name, something like this.
Sorry, what did you
Like,
do? I'm getting the same error as well.
it is so first we have to assign him the path and then hyphen name and the file name. We can also do, you can also use locate here. So new.txt, whatever it will do, it will go to all of, you can see locate space new.txt. It has found our training Zorba, another new.txt. It has found our file. This is the file we are looking for, new.txt. So there is two commands, locate and find. I use locate to find this. Sometimes locate will give you better result. Sometimes find you we used you give you better result.
Sorry, could you scroll up a little bit? I just want to see like when you were not able to write the correct command, what helped you figure it out? Like you just did the slash before name or
Yes,
something.
I did the slash before.
So if you just did the slash, like it will go to like all of the previous
Yes,
directories
exactly.
or
Now,
okay.
if I do slash here, it will go inside all of the directories, slash home, slash var, slash usr, and it will take a lot of time. So I don't want to go in each and every. So you can see slash dev slash proc. It is searching everywhere for that file. but we already have, we know that this file is inside this, this directory slash desktop and testing Zorba course. So after that, I given him the path, and from that path, it has to find it.
Okay. And you did like find
This,
slash space hyphen name.
yes.
Like you're trying to search
The
name
name,
inside.
yes, no, not inside the file. This is the name of the command. Find.
Uh-huh.
This is the path
That. Mm-hmm.
that I want to see. This is the you can say options. I am telling him to find a name called new,
New. Okay,
and
gotcha.
it will look into any file that starts with new day, new.txt, and anything. It is not give you can see the command ran perfectly, but it hasn't given us anything. So I use another command. I use locate space new.txt. It went to all of the directory, and it has given me this exact file. This is the file we are looking for.
So these both command have the same function, right? Locate or find.
Yes,
I think like
yes.
locate is much easier rather than giving the whole directory.
Locate is way much easier, but few times locate will not work. So that's why I want you to understand the use of both the commands.
Okay.
So most of the command that we are running right now, I think we will be having little bit discussion of most of the commands. This is just an introduction kind of class for Linux commands, so don't worry about it. We'll be discussing most of the commands in much deeper level in the later sections. Okay.
So you already had the Zorba course, the 1007 in your Linux terminal?
No, no. This is the folder that I created. Nothing else.
Okay. So you created it and then you tried to locate it.
Yes.
I have a question.
This is the folder. Inside that
So
folder, all of these things are here. Yeah, please ask. Please ask.
yeah, if you don't know like the whole thing, like you just did slash space name hyphen name, right? Like if you don't know the whole path, can
Yes.
you just do like let's say like for you slash desktop slash pen testing slash and then
Yes.
space hyphen name, like can you just look into like those, or that will give you an error saying like directory does not
I
exist or something like
yes.
that?
I directly does not exist. Does not is not going to happen here. It will simply either the command will not run or it will give you some error. But we know the path. That's why we have given the path. So if the path was not you can say uh, available to us, so we will just do the slash, and it will go inside slash, and then it will search all of the directories, and it will take some time.
Okay, gotcha. Thank you.
Like it will take a lot of time. So it has to go to every single folder and then find the file.
So, for example, we like for you, you have the path like the desktop penetrating, like the
Yes.
Zorba, Cortex, all those things, right? For us, we just
Yes.
have Kali and desktop. So, if I have to
Obviously.
use the find command, just do find slash home slash Kali slash desktop and just do name and new. That's how I.
Yes. Yes, exactly. 100% right. Apart from that, one more command that I want you guys to understand is this. Okay, so you can see like there are a lot of colors in these files. Like inside this folder, I have created few folders, few file, one bash script, one image. You can see.
Hmm.
But if this color combination is visible to you, someone is green, someone is a little bit blue, someone is little bit of whatever this color is, pink, beige, I don't know, and then this highlighted script. So what makes these colors different? So we can always identify them using file command. I'm doing star. Star means everything, all of the above, and enter. You can see it tells us like it's a this file is a png image. This is an empty, this is an xkite text image, and this is a directory. Okay, you can type file space anything like 2.txt. It will tell you this is a txt image. You can type file space script and it will tell you that this is a text file. Then file space this png and it will tell you that this is a png image data. Because in the terminal section it is so suppose there are hundreds of file that is here and like then you have to find the image part like whatever we discussed till now you we like anyone has any comments or anything questions. Like we check the file type, we use the ping command, we use the file locator locate and then find command. What else? Nothing else we have discussed till now. Suraj, where are you?
Yes, I am here, sir. Sir, I am just confused between file and folder. I am not able to differentiate that only.
File and folder. Okay. So this is a normal file and this is a folder. We can how to identify this? We can do this. Wherever you have written the D part, it is a folder. Wherever it is a dash part, it is a file. Simple. Nothing more than that.
Okay,
You
sir,
have
understood.
you have installed Kali Linux in VMware VirtualBox. Sorry.
Yeah, of course.
Just type the ls hyphen space la command and you will understand. If even it is not clear with you, just type the file space like any file that you have created. It will tell you what kind of files you have. Okay, like 2.txt, it will tell you a simple this is a txt file, or like you with this, it will give you a png file. It will tell you that this is a png file. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's a little bit out of course, but it's a very fun thing. So I want you guys to show you. It is a very big file. Let me use a small file. So hope everyone is following this. So there is a tool called Hex Editor. What it does, it helps you to edit the hexadecimal of your file. So don't ask me what is a hexadecimal. Whoever is teaching you network, you can ask him and making confused. How do you guys know hexadecimal and hexaditor? So if I do enter, so this is what a hexadecimal looks like, and this is what a normal human readable file looks like. Okay, so we all know that computer doesn't understand English. So whenever we type something like hello, how are you, control F, control C, it first converts to the hexadecimal. Hexadecimal converts it to the ASCII, and then ASCII goes to the compiler, and then it goes to the systems, and then system understand it. Then the same process reverse, and then DXT will show you in plain text. This is the real thing that has happened every time you run a command, every time you make any entry. So this is the human readable form. This is the system readable form. So what I want to do, like this is the hexadecimal code. What I will do, I will change this code. I will change this to anything, 1, 2, 3, then anything. And then you can see we have an option for exit, quit without saving. I'm saving it as a new file.
How do you do that? How do you?
Control C.
You are not saving, right?
You can save, but you like I didn't save it. So what I wanted to show you is the main thing here. So a lot of time, like in future, like we will talk about bypasses. Okay, like how to bypass this, how to bypass upload filter. So like most of you have seen, whenever you go to any website your Facebook, any website, there is a profile pic option. You click on edit profile, you click on upload files, and then you upload a file. And when you upload a file, sometimes it loads for a few seconds like this, and then it uploads the file. Why it is not directly uploading the file, why it is loading every time when you upload a file. It is checking that that file is currently a image PNG or not. Okay, you understand this part or not? So we discuss Chrome Dev Tools by any chance? We haven't discussed this, I think. So Chrome Dev Tools is basically this is inside your you can say browsers. It has all the details of things that is going out and coming inside your browser. So you can see like here it is saying that it is accepting text slash HTML, application slash HTML, and like this. But when we upload a file, so it will tell you that this is a like image slash PNG, img slash jpg jpeg. So this is what exactly I wanted to show you. So this tells like this website testa.php1web.com accepts text html, application html, and application x slash xml formats in terms of image uploads. Okay, I know these things is not making much sense to you right now, but when we go to the upload filter and those things, you will understand this. Okay, so for to just for the understanding purposes, what I have done, I have gone to this URL. This is a logo that they have. I have right click here, opened it in new tab, open image in new tab. The image open here in a new tab. After that, I went to Chrome DevTools. You can go here, uh, more tools, then Chrome DevTools, Web Developer Tools. This dialog box will open. In this dialog box, I went to network, and when you go to network, so you can do this also. This is a shortcut. Just click on whenever you click on network, there will be option for reload. When you click on reload, it will ask you to resend the all the things. So whatever the things that is loading in this website right now, it will load right in front of you. And I think we are capable of understanding what is written here. So we know status code 200 okay. I think we know get and post method HTTP methods we have covered. Get, post, put. Everyone, we have covered this HTTP methods.
No, sir. We
No.
haven't.
Okay, okay. We will see.